Welcome to Empower Your Voice, free masterclass, unlocking your podcast potential on Passionate World Talk Radio Network in the Education Division. Today's class on April 2nd, Tuesday at 7 p.m. and Friday, April 5th at 4 p.m. is the same class. However, these are the items I will discuss, and it is an interactive class, meaning that the first 15-20 minutes I'll be speaking, and then the rest of participant to make sure you understand the material that was just presented, and encourage you to sign up for either April 2nd at 7 or April 5th at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So why do people podcast? To make their voices heard. And how do you get them heard? Well, the popular picture I paint is, imagine you're in the middle of the ocean and you're drowning and you want to get to the surface quickly so you can signal the next passing ship or flying saucer. How do you do that? Well, you clamber on somebody else's shoulders. You stand up so your head rises above the crest of the waves and you wave, "Hi, I'm here." And that's what podcasting is. It gives you the potential to be heard. And in order to be able to be heard, you have to know what you're doing. So on this free masterclass, Unlocking Your Podcast Potential, I will be teaching you the 7 C's of communication, because you need to be understood. The art of the interviewed, not only asking questions of your guest, but perhaps you will appear as a guest on someone else's podcast, and you have to know how to answer the questions accurately and without meandering along the road. And the third most important is mastering your interpersonal, i.e., people skills. If you can't relate to people, then podcasting, even though it can be a solitary occupation and doing it solo, you still need to have your listening audience identify and brand with you. And that sums up our 30 to 45-minute free masterclass. Empower your voice. Unlock your podcasting potential. Down below are the links to sign up and register for the course. And for those who are interested, a free transcript will be provided. Thank you very much, and see you either on April 2nd or on April 5th.